Do you know why the birds sing? I do. Let me show you. The winter has just begun to loosen its grip, and maybe we'll get a chance to do some cross-country today. Amazing day, liagardene. High air pressure. Might be a bit bumpy. And so it begins. Here I do my first mistake. Instead of following over to the closest mountain, I start searching for thermals quite close after the takeoff. And for a while it seems to be working out for me. But I get impatient. I can see vidars climbing higher and higher. The thermals are quite small and hard, as they tend to be on the high pressure days. I keep fiddling around. I can't really get the altitude. I can maintain it, but I can't really get higher. So after a while, I alter my course and I start heading towards Vidar. I lose so much altitude on my way over to the other guys. In my head, I start to see myself going on the ground already. The thermals are quite hard and punchy. It's not an ideal situation to be in this low. I know behind that tree line there's a cliff, and hopefully there will be some thermals so I can start my ascent. Then it starts, just small in the beginning, but patiently, just climbing higher and higher, until I reach the altitude of 1,600 meters. This is brilliant. Unfortunately, I don't have the time to join him on a flight today. I'm just gonna cruise around here for as long as I can. In the distance I can see a big eagle, and it crossed me just 50 meters above my head. Unfortunately I couldn't capture it with my camera today. But this feeling of freedom, this must be the reason why the birds sing. At the end of this video I will show more of this track log, as it was quite a good flight so early in the year. If you've seen this far of the video, I guess you're enjoying paragliding content. I would then ask you to subscribe to the channel, as I frequently will post more like this. But yeah, a few more flights like this and I think I'm good for the season. Also I'm thinking of buying a pod, because I think this harness is quite unsteady. So if you have any good tips for me, I want a steady stern harness, please drop it in the comments field. Alright, see you in the next one. Congratulations Vidar with this nice flight this early in the year.